Hi, we're Nicky and Billy, and this is our channel. So it's all about our little adventures in our van, whether that's hiking mountains, biking, socialising, eating, drinking, or just us. So if you want to follow us, just subscribe and see what we get up to. Cheers.
So, another beautiful day in Swaledale.
Yeah, love the place.
Yeah, Orchard Park, cracking campsite. Absolutely love it here, don't we?
Yeah, we do. Think we could live here.
Well, we can't live here, so this is the next best thing.
Yeah.
We can't afford to live in Reeth. Well, we can't afford to live anywhere around here.
Well,
So,
good if we kept on working till we're about 65 and had a mortgage, but we're not doing that.
yeah.
No, we're going to go travelling when we get our new van. So anyway, so yeah, Orchard Caravan Park. It's good, isn't it?
Yeah. And it attracts, it's a lovely little cosy park. And it just attracts really nice people. So everybody you meet here is lovely. They're also friendly. I'm not saying they're not friendly everywhere else, but this place is particularly nice, isn't it? It feels like, when we come here, it feels like coming home.
Yeah, and there's a lot of people that do the whole season here.
Yeah.
Whether it's in the statics or they actually place their vans and stuff for the season. I think there's a waiting list for that because it's that popular to do.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a little community of people, and Reeth's not that big, so you get to know people in Reeth if you're here a fair bit. And the mountain biking is excellent, as you see in the video.
Walking's fabulous.
Not
Biking's
crowded, is it?
No, not at all.
Not crowded like the lakes. Reeth can get crowded during the day, lots of day visitors and stuff, but when you're out in the hills and stuff, there's not many people around, whereas the lakes is just... It's
And
like
it
mental.
doesn't matter which way you go, it's up, up, up. You can't go anywhere around here, can you, biking, without it being like, sort of like 6 mile uphill.
Whether that's road biking or mountain biking.
Yeah.
So it's good.
The first
Good for
part of the
getting
ride, yeah, it's just up in it.
fit.
So, yeah, but today I got a puncture.
Yeah, first time I've ever seen a tyre split. So she may have the mass of a black hole in her bottom because it seems to destroy stuff. But anyway, we'll never know. We'll have to get it measured by scientists. We'll get my son to take you to uni and they can measure you somewhere.
Yeah, thank God for spare tubes. Otherwise, it would have been a 10-mile walk home.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Although both the owners of the site said that all we'd have to do is ring them if we ever have a problem. They'll come pick us up.
Yeah, they're so lovely.
Yeah. So, yeah. So not only is the site nice, but the owners are great as well. So,
well, the owners make it nice.
yeah.
Yeah.
So facilities, showers, pot wash, toilets. What else is there?
Well, there is a little washing machine,
Yeah,
etc.
You can get water, you can dump your toilets.
It's literally 5 minutes to walk up into, 10 minutes to walk up into Reeth.
Yeah.
Just, there is a little bit of it. You can sort of go around and make it a little bit easier, but the quickest way is to go straight up the hill. So it is quite steep. But yeah, just take it steady if you're not, particularly able, and you'll be up there in no time.
And it's downhill from the pub. Hey, can't be bad, can it?
Downhill home, yes, that's good.
So yeah, we'll do a little video and show you around the Orchard Caravan Park.
And now we're waiting for our Yorkshire puddings to cook.
Yeah,
Fingers crossed they're going to cook.
We're cooking it in the Omnia, as you'll see on the video, which is like a stovetop oven. So if you haven't got an oven, try this. We managed to do Christmas dinner in it. So
Billy made amazing bread. So I'm hoping that the Yorkshire puddings will turn out okay. Yeah. Well, the toad in the hole will turn out okay. But it's the first time we've done it on the stove top like that, so who knows. And I'm absolutely resisting the urge to lift the lid up and have a look.
Do not lift the lid.
Do not lift the lid. Yeah.
Right, okay, doke. Catch you later.
See ya. Bye.
making for Sunday dinner?
Toad in the hole.
What
Well,
in?
we're going to attempt toad in the hole.
Oh, it looks good.
First time we've done toad in the hole in the van, so... Oh, my spoon. So let's see how it goes. Turn it up, yeah?
Yeah.
Let's hope this works. I'm sure it will. Might just... I think it's going to be okay.
Yeah. Well, let's see how it turns out, eh?
Yeah, do I need to turn that up, do you think?
Good chefing.
Yeah.
So, what have we learned? Bit too much mixture, maybe?
Well, they rose really quickly and really, really well. I can't believe it. And they've cooked quicker than they would cook at home. So we've had to take the lid. Well, in fact, the Yorkshire pudding pushed the lid off, didn't it?
Yeah, I thought you hadn't put the lid on properly.
I know, but
it turns out the Yorkshire's grown.
Yeah, so it's cooked so quickly. How quickly?
15 minutes.
15 minutes, and the toad in the hole's done.
So the key here is less mixture next time, isn't it?
Well, I don't know. I think it's just we need to realise it cooks that quick, and it's risen really well.
It has risen
So
well.
I think I've made really, really light Yorkshire puddings that have risen exceptionally well. Don't you?
Yeah, well done, chef.
Yay! Let's get the rest rustled up quick.
Quick.
We're going to have to pull that burnt meat off.
You're going to have to stop drinking to cook, you know. Right, we're out on our second ride, but before we start that, we had a bit of a problem with yesterday's video. In the wind, you can hardly hear it, as you can see from this video here. Right, we're out on our first ride, taking it easy. We're doing Harkerside. As you can tell, it's not that easy, it's a bit warm. We've done 5 miles climbing so far.
Yeah.
Yeah, 5 miles. So, yeah, it's fairly wide track. To do it, you just go from Dale's Bike Centre past the church, pick up Swale Trail, follow the Swale Trail. When the Swale Trail climbs back up and hits the road, oops, that's something hit.
Fly!
Instead of turning right and following the Swale Trail, you turn left, go along the road and pick up the second right away on the right. And just follow that and that'll bring you up to here. And then from here...
That's Remington over there.
Yeah, so from here we're going to go along and then we climb back up again. And then we come down to Crossroads where there's a turn right into Port Abbey. So, we'll go through yesterday's ride first. So yesterday's ride is up Harkerside.
Yeah.
And then round to the Crossroads. It can take you off to Bolton Abbey, but you can go that way. And then back over. It's quite a short ride, but we were out last night and I had to play guitar, so I couldn't risk busting the wrist. So
Yeah, but it isn't that short. It's 14 miles and 2,000 feet, so it's like not short.
short enough.
Nothing for me anyway.
And you can get away with taking it easy, so you don't run the risk of hurting yourself. So how many miles is it climbing from the Dale's Bike Centre?
What?
7.5?
No, 6.5.
6.5 miles.
Well, yeah, definitely. I think 6.5.
Yeah. So you can do it on cross bikes. We've done the climb, but I think the second bit you're much better doing it on a mountain bike. So have a slower climb and a better down. For the down, I'll have some videos. I'll show you those videos, and you can make it as techy as you want by going slower or quicker. But remember, speed is your friend. Unless you crash, then speed won't answer the phone or text you back. There's the truth. They always tell you one, they never tell you the second part. All right, so have a look at yesterday's ride. Right, that's the main climb done, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's go. I think from the campsite I'm getting 7.5 miles to here.
Can't see because it's sunshine. Yeah, just over 7.5 miles.
So most of that's climbing. So now the downhill bit starts, the first bit, it's still double track.
I've got about 1,400 feet.
Alright, well,
I think.
we're talking about the double track.
No, sorry.
So, downhill, double track, you can make it as difficult as you want. So if you go really fast and get a bit sketchy, you can take it nice and easy, it's not too bad. So there'll be a little video of it, I suppose, and when we finish the ride, there'll be a Strava link anyway on the video. So we'll see what the downhill's like next day.
I'd just say to Billy, see at the bottom.
Get your pads on. Yeah, you
Pads
got
are
pads.
on.
Pads are good. Right, bye.
Bye.
Right, so last section we did, technically we watched the video, again, take it easy, take it fast, make it as hard as you want. And now we're at Friday Club, aren't we?
Yeah.
So Friday Club is what?
It's a nice flat free park up just above sort of Grinton. Lovely little spot.
We call it Friday Club because we used to come in with mates on a Friday.
When we had mates.
When we had mates, or mates that actually rode bikes, didn't have back and knees, didn't run all the time, we used to meet here on Friday, get the vans together, have a few drinks, stay overnight, and then the next day we'd go riding. So I'll let you have a look round Friday Club. Plenty of flat bits, but we're not going to tell you where it is.
Oh, don't be wrong.
We can't. They can figure it out, can't
Yeah,
they?
because they'll find it anyway.
We don't want to get in trouble for telling people to park here, so let's suppose it's official. Right, onwards and back for coffee or a pint. Bye.
Yeah.
Right now, tomorrow's looking bright underneath the sunny morning sky. All you wanna do is ride around Sally, ride, Sally, ride. All you wanna do is ride around Sally, ride, Sally, ride. All you wanna do is ride around Sally, ride, Sally, ride. All you wanna do is ride around Sally.
So, on to today's ride. Where are we going?
At Gunnerside.
Yeah, so we're not doing the Gates of Mordor Gunnerside, because that's quite techie. I don't think you'd really appreciate me taking you down there. So what we're going is from Reeth, we climb up the road, past the school, go down for the next village, you take a right. That carries you right over to a crossroads where you pick up the bridleway that takes you past this old mine workings. You'll know you get here when you hit that chimney. Then we're going to carry on up and then we'll take a left up towards the top overlooking Gunnerside Gill. And then we follow that down. It spits us out at the King's Arms in Gunnerside. So it's quite a nice ride. Again, very doable.
Nothing too crazy.
Yeah, there's a bit of rocky section at the end on a path, but if you're not hitting that too quick, you'll be all right. So yeah, have a look at this ride. And like the other ride, they'll all be on Strava. So you'll be able to follow them. Okay, bye. Right, as you can see, a bit hot. So we've reached the top, haven't we?
Yeah. So for all you coast to coasters out there, this is the high level route above Swaledale. So you go through all the old, is it iron workings?
Yep.
Yeah. So this is the high level route if you choose not to go through the valleys. So yeah, interesting.
Yeah.
Loads of stuff up here.
And that's a stone crusher behind us for crushing stones. Does what it says on the tin. So yeah, we're going to start the descent now. So that's our little trip to Reeth. We'll have loads of other trips planned for this year, so if you want to follow them, just subscribe. Catch you soon. Bye.